Hi guys, today we talk about how can you save the homes on your Zillow app. We're going to figure out this solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just choose here homes you want to save. I'm going to click to this homes for home, for example here. You just click on it and it's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do, just go up of this sign, click on it here. So then when you click in this heart here, then it's going to save with you like you see now. So you just here choose if you so I like this home because you add here your so I'm going to click here on home says for example here, or style home of home, and you click it on save my tax, then it's going to save with you this home. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.